to the onsen and just relax, onsen, shopping, and possibly party tonight. We'll see.
Hello.
Estamos de nuevo. Where is the West Gate exit?
JR Shinjuku, West Gate. Proceed to exit A12. You're welcome.
This whole time, it's here. Let's do it. Let's find it. And okay, this is all we have. What I really like to do on the weekends is coming to Tokyo for the onsen. Nine. And this crab soup I love. Very good. 4 of those. And I have ice cream. This whole menu. It's a Sunday morning, so for 500 yen, I got a whole hour. I'm laughing because it's funny, like just so nice.
Begin to fetch items. Please wait a moment. Away from the bottom of the screen. オンラインです。
Wow. Current hubby is coming to Japan on the weekends just for the food.